What will happen in a drag race between a BMW M4 Competition and an Ariel Atom 4R? Well, I'm going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. The Atom 4R has a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 406 horsepower, 500 Nm of torque, rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed sequential gearbox with launch control. It weighs 665 kilograms and costs from around £80,000. The BMW M4 Competition has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight-six, 530 horsepower, 650 Nm, all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,775 kilograms and costs from £91,000. Hey Sam, you alright?
Hello bud, you look in a spaceship type thing, what's going on?
Well, I'm wondering what's going on as well, because I think this is the wrong way round. They've given us the wrong cars. Surely I should be in the easy to launch, automatic, 4-wheel drive passenger car, and you should be in the racing car that's rear-wheel drive and got a lot of power and is a bit scary.
Yeah, but this has got a testicle shelf and I always insist on a testicle shelf, so I'm happy again.
I'm going to need some big bollocks to drive this thing because it can be quite leery. Shall we start our cars? We both have push button starts, don't we? So mine's sending weird vibrations through my bottom. How about yours?
A little bit, more of a hum than a vibration.
Look at that vibrating. I could clean my teeth with it. So, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think you're going to win?
Yes, I do think I'm going to win.
I like your confidence. I think I'm going to win. What do you think?
I disagree.
Okay, good chat. Should we do a rev test? I'll rev first. I think I'll win this. Oh!
I can hear you blow off, so that's nice.
Yeah, I like a blow off. Go. That's nice, dude. Do you know what? I like to put that engine into this.
The revs, it feels like this has got a massive flywheel in it. The revs take ages to go up and down.
Probably has a big, dirty flywheel. This one doesn't.
That's got a 10p piece flywheel, that has.
Yeah, that's really good. Right, I'm going to put my helmet on. While I'm doing that, you play with your helmet.
The crew's got my helmet safe and sound.
Sam's got a detachable helmet. You heard it here first. If you like drag races, we started a new channel, Carwow Drags. Go check it out. What we're putting on there is a condensed version of our best drag races. So if you can't be asked all this waffle, you can just watch the normal drag races over there in condensed format. It's a lot of fun. So go over there, subscribe to that, because some exciting content going on there soon. Come on, you beauty!
No! No! No!
I thought you were going to have me there, Sam.
I morally won. I beat you off the line, and the majority of the quarter mile I won. And then I think I was reeling you back in towards the end. So overall, in a block of 4, I won.
Can I have another chance at winning the majority of the race? I don't know. Best 2 out of 3?
Yeah, I'll give you another go to have a try and win. That's no problem.
Bizarre logic of Sam.
Come on!
Did you win again?
That was closer, but I still won.
Oh, listen to the thing. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Ariel won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.1 seconds. The BMW took 11.2 seconds.
Before our next race, a little message that could well help you if you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer to check that it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this BMW 3 Series on Car Vertical. It's got green ticks for odometer and finance, but a damage warning. Why? It was previously involved in an accident and was a Cat S write-off. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code CARWOW for 20% off, or by following the link in the description. Now back to the race.
We're going to have a rolling race and we're going to roll in just about 10 miles an hour in first. Will's going to count us in 3, 2, 1, go, and then we're going to rate over the quarter mile and the half mile. Now if you want to check out the latest offers on the BMW M4, found a good offer through CarWow, click on the pop-out banner there or scan the QR code on screen now to see what the offer is and the spec of the M4 that I've gone for.
Is this to assist you in the reaction time stuff, Matt? Is it going to help you?
I just like to be nearer to Will. Hi.
Holy sh**.
Okay, yeah, big difference. You can call the next race. What do you want to do?
This didn't like that first gear. It was all out of sync. So I think like a third gear roll on, I think to the half mile might give this a better shot.
I've got an itchy head. I'm trying to scratch it with the helmet. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it was closer. I took off and then it was just level the whole way.
This was actually reeling you back in, but once you're going north of 150, 160, it's kind of irrelevant, isn't it? I did put this into two-wheel drive as well to try and get some lack of drivetrain resistance as well.
I'm not sure if that helped you. Might have been a bad idea. You're just trying to be too clever for your own good. Anyway, let's do a brake test. If you'd rather watch another drag race with some crazy sports cars, then click on the pop-out banner or scan the QR code on screen. If you want to see what happens here, this could be a chance for Sam to redeem himself. Stay and watch. Who won you, me?
Oh, that's close.
Who won that? I'm sitting further back, but I might be longer than you.
I think the back of my car is further back than yours, is it not?
But my bottom is this side of the line. Your bottom's forward of that line. Yeah, you get out because I can't get out. I think I've won. You do it from the front of the car. You could have a bloody train, my friend, and say you won because your arse is back up there. It's the front.
This is longer. I'm seeing which back of the car is further forwards.
It's the front of the... who's won? It's so competitive.
I'm much longer than you.
Yeah?
Yeah, this is why I'm looking at the back. I'm trying to see who's further forwards.
You're further forwards.
I don't know.
The front of your car is ahead of mine. Okay.
All I know is that's 75 tons.
Okay.
And you're in a milk bottle.
But when you measure it, right, you know when like, you're talking about braking, what would hit something? The back
bonnet
of your car. Well, the back of your car might if you're going really, really quickly.
Yeah.
But the front of your car is what hits something.
But it's longer.
No, I know,
If the backs are level,
but you're braking when your nose touches the line. That's when your braking starts.
I agree.
I start braking when my nose touches the line, so it's how far it goes.
Yeah, okay, granted, fine. That's 75 tons.
Okay.
Just saying.
You won.
Thank you. Morally.
Anyway, listen, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know. Does Sam always have to cheat, or do I always have to have the fastest car? Which one's which, or is it both? Also, if you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, click on the Carwow logo now to check out the Carwow drag race leaderboard. I can't even say it. Check out the Carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.